Construction is in full swing, and homes are selling rapidly. Allow us to introduce Innsbrook Square Townhomes, Short Pump's biggest hidden gem tucked away just off Broad Street, presenting a modern touch of elegance. Explore the pinnacle of luxury with our stunning townhomes now for sale in Henrico County. Revel in large rooftop terraces, roomy 2-car garages, and up to 4 bedrooms, all designed to elevate your lifestyle. We are well under construction, and planned amenities include a clubhouse, pool, and fitness center. Innsbrook is surrounded by nature, including 3 gorgeous lakes and 5 miles of paved trails. Your ideal home awaits in this highly coveted location, and you do not want to miss out. Want to see our decorated model? Schedule your personal tour today at HHHunthomes.com.